Good afternoon, kabayan. This is Mark Cabreros explaining to you the issue of improper disposal in the community. So, improper waste disposal is a major problem in many communities. People throw garbage in canals, streets, and vacant lots instead of proper trash bins. This is happening in barangays, schools, and public places where waste management is not strictly followed. Residents from complain about bad smells, flush drainage, and increasing pests like rats and mosquitoes. During heavy rains, garbage blocks waterways and causes flooding. For example, some neighborhoods experience floods because plastic waste clogs the canals. This issue matters because it affects health, cleanliness, and the environment. Dirty surroundings can spread diseases such as dengue and respiratory illnesses. Pictures and videos of flooded streets and piles of garbage clearly show the harsh reality of problem. So this is the example of the drainage, canals, and in here, lots of mosquitoes that will also causes the health problem and also the bad smell. That's all.
Many streets and drainage systems are filled with plastic and other trash. The advocacy against improper waste disposal is supported by facts, observations, and real-life experiences from the community. Many areas experience visible environmental problems because people continue throwing garbage in streets, rivers, canals, and vacant lots. One clear evidence is the physical condition of the environment. Drainage systems are often clogged with plastic, bottles, wrappers, and other waste materials. Because of this, water cannot flow properly during heavy rains, which leads to flooding in neighborhoods and streets. Bad odors and dirty surroundings also become common in places with poor waste management. Real-life examples can be seen during rainy seasons when floods become worse due to black canals filled with trash. Some students and workers also struggle to travel because roads become flooded and unsafe. Local cleanup drives often collect large amounts of plastic waste from rivers and public areas, showing how serious the problem has become.
So right now, let's find random citizen here in Poblacion Dos, Riverside, and ask him a few questions. So follow me. So there are citizens. Let's ask him a question. Good afternoon, sir. May I disturb you a little bit? I have a few questions here in your Riverside. May I have a time? Okay, boss. So let's ask him a question. So the first question, sir, is how does improper waste disposal affect your daily life?
Go on, boss. And the canals are always clogged because of the plastic waste, boss. Let the boss, ha?
So let's cut first. So it says that the canals are always clogged because of the plastic waste. So kanang atong basura kanang magtapok sa kanal, which is makakosya og kanang flood kay dili ma-drain ang tubig or magtapok ang tubig sa kanal mo nang one of the major problem. So the next question is what problems do you usually experience because of garbage in your area? So unsa mga problema ang imong ma-experience kanang sa
kanang magulan, boss. Kay mubura ang mga kanal diri, boss. Pag magulan, muna siya inungdan.
sa mga kanal kanang mga basura dili na ka-drain og sakto. So next question, have you noticed an increase in flooding or population in your community, sir? Una ba kayo naobserbahan nga kanang pag-increase sa flooding or pollution sa ato?
Boss, kanang manglabay rag basura bisag unsa, boss. Brani, boss. Awi labay ni boss, ha. Dito ra paingon, boss. Dagan ang basura, boss.
So the next question here it says that what actions should the community and government take to solve this problem, sir?
Magkuha na sila, boss. Butang na sila signboard. Brani, boss. Wala na, boss. Lahi na. Binuang mo na. Butang na signboard, mga sticker nga bawal mo labay basura. Kaya inay multa.
So he says that we need to put a signboard in every area so that we can prevent possible issue here in dam site or riverside to prevent flood. So next and last question, sir. How can students and young people help reduce waste pollution, sir? No, so unsay matabang sa estudyante, mga young people, unsay message sa young people para ma-reduce ang waste pollution?
Dapat magbutang sila og kuan basurahan nga sakto, dahil mag-segregate, dayon maglimpyo. Una.
So no, most common para ma-prevent na ato ang kanang para ma-reduce ang waste population is he says nga mag-contact kuan proper disposal sa garbage and also magtinabangay ta sa basura atong i-arrange og sakto og dili basta ilabay bisag asa. So that's all. Improper waste disposal is a serious community problem that needs discipline, proper waste management, and cooperation from everyone. By practicing this proper segregation and disposal of waste, communities can become cleaner, safer, and healthier.
Tol kay ka. Ipagawas ba? Eh ora kanila. Segregate rin ito. Plastic dire. Plastic. Meron kami karton.
Okay na yun.
Wala.
Wala na.
Anong silbi ng gabi kung hindi naman kita katabi, bebe?